Hello students, welcome to EduTap. So in this particular short video, we are going to see that what are the cutoff trends as far as the phase 1 is concerned and what should be your target scores for each and every component. So students, as far as the target scores are concerned, we are going to set the target scores as per one very simple formula, that is whatever is the highest cutoff for that particular subject plus 2 to 3 marks. That should be your target score. On that note, let us start our this video. So students, as far as the first component, the reasoning is concerned, so the if you see the cutoff trends, it has hovered around 3 to 4 marks. Now the target score here should be around 4 plus 2 to 3 marks, that is around 6 to 7 marks should be your target score as far as reasoning is concerned. Now coming to the English part, if you see, the highest cutoff has been 12.5 marks, and generally also the cutoff, it has hovered around 11 to 12 marks only. 10.75, I am rounding it off to 11, so 11 to 12 marks has been your cutoff. Now your target score should be 13 plus 2 to 3 marks, that is around 15 to 16 marks should be your target score as far as the English is concerned. Coming to the computer knowledge students, the cutoff, it has no particular trend. It has been around like 2.75 marks also, and as high as 5.5 marks also. So there is no fixed trend, right? But as far as the target score is concerned, we will keep in mind 5.50, that is 6 marks as our target score, plus 2 to 3 marks, that is around 8 to 9 marks should be your target score as far as computer knowledge is concerned. Coming to the quantitative aptitude, here the cutoff has been again hovered around 5 marks to 4.50, 3 marks on right. Now here the target score should be 5 plus 2 to 3 marks, that is around 7 to 8 marks should be your target score as far as quantitative aptitude is concerned. Now coming to the next part, that is the decision making. In the decision making, cutoff earlier has been around 1.25 to 1.5 marks only, but in 2024 the cutoff was 2 marks, so your target score should be around 2 plus 2 to 3, that is around 4 to 5 marks, right? So these were the components as far as the non-merit section is concerned. Now coming to the merit section students, here the concept of the sectional cutoff, yes, it is important that you clear the sectional cutoff of each and every component, but you cannot have the sectional cutoffs in your mind as a to decide the target scores for the merit section components. Why? Because for the merit sections you need to cover clear this overall cutoff. So it is the overall cutoff that should decide what should be your target score as far as the ESI, ARD and the GA component is concerned. Now students, what I would suggest is that for the ESI component, try having the target score should to be around 25 to 30 marks. Similarly, in the ARD also, you can have the target score of 25 to 30 marks. For GA, try to have the target score of 5 to 10 marks, right? And overall cutoff, if I talk about, your target score should be around 50 to 55 marks. So these are the target scores and the cutoff trends as far as the phase 1 is concerned. Thank you.